TV, I'm coming back. Today I'm going to show you how to cook thịt kho nước dừa, the bacon stew with the coconut juice. And it's very simple, easy and very tasty. First of all, we need to marinate the meat. Slice the purple and garlic and then chop it to be small pieces. So for 2 kilograms of meat, I use about 4 onions and 3 garlic. Add in 1 teaspoon of salt and 2 teaspoons of seasoning powder. Mix them together. After mix the salt and seasoning powder, garlic and onion, add in some soy sauce. Soy sauce help the meat to have nice smell and also beautiful color when it's done. Some people you can use the turmeric to have the yellow smell, but for me I prefer soy sauce. And after mixes, leave it for 20 to 30 minutes. After 20 to 30 minutes, you heat the oil and fry the meat with the small heat. It takes about 5 to 10 minutes for one side until the meat turns slightly yellow. You turn it over. When the meat yellow at the both sides, take them out. After that, put the rest of the garlic and soy sauce into the oil pan. Stir it until it turns slightly yellow. Add in the coconut juice. Put all the meat back. Simmer it gently for about 1 hour. Every 20 minutes, you come and turn the meat over. For this food, you have to be patient. Braise it with very small heat until all the water gone. Now the meat is done. The combination between onion, garlic, soy sauce and meat, it makes it smell really nice. Slice the meat thinly. Usually we eat with rice or we can do fresh spring roll with vegetable. So yummy. After slice the meat, put on the dish and put some sauce on top.